Hey guys, it's me Ella. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing more than 10 ways that you can make money at home as a teenager that are actually legit, not like sketchy surveys or all the other basic ideas you've already heard. So if you want to see that, then just keep on watching. I've actually used over half these ideas myself and made some good money, so this is legit and these are probably the best ways to make money. The first way is through signing up for affiliate programs. Almost all websites have them, probably even your favorite stores do. You just sign up and then they give you a link or a code and you share that with other people. And when they purchase through that link or through using that code, they usually get a discount off their purchase, and then you make a small commission off of what they bought. If you look in my description box, I do have a couple links and codes down there that are affiliate links, and they're all coupon codes, so if you ever need a coupon code, just look at my description and there are a few. The next way that you can make money is not talked about nearly enough on YouTube, and that is through a site called Redbubble. You've probably used Redbubble or at least heard of it, but all you have to do is design a unique image or graphic, upload it to their website, and then they turn it into stickers, shirts, blankets, mugs, any product you could even think of. And then when someone purchases a product with your image on it, you make a commission. This is a really good way to make money if you're more artistic or a good graphic designer, and it's really fun. And I've made like over $100 on this, so it's a really good idea. The next way that you can make money is through apps where you scan your receipts and then they give you cash back. I found the best apps for this are Fetch Rewards, where you scan your receipt and then they give you points, and then you can trade in those points for gift cards and other offers. I have a sign up link in my description where you can get, I'm pretty sure it's $2 or 2,000 points just for signing up, which is a really good deal. And then the other app that I really like is CoinOut. For this app, they pay you in real money, not in points to get gift cards. So you scan your receipt just like all the other ones, and then they give you some money for it, and then you can cash it out to your bank account or to your PayPal and other things like that. And I also have another sign up for that one where you get $2. The next way is you can babysit, especially right now with the whole quarantine. It might be a little bit hard, but I know it would take the stress off of a lot of parents that are having to work at home, especially with little kids that used to go to daycare. So if you could just relieve some of their stress and look after their kids for them. It might not be the easiest thing to do right now because of the stay at home, but especially once it's over, it's a really good way to make money. The next way to make money is by selling things that you made yourself, like creating an Etsy shop is a really good idea, or you could create your own website or sell off of Instagram. If there's something that you're really good at making, like maybe you like to make scrunchies or clothes, or you're really good at painting, you can sell those things and people will buy them. And if you don't know how to make anything, there are tons of tutorials on YouTube. You can just watch one, figure out which thing you want to sell, and then start a business. The next thing that you can do is sell your old clothes. I know everyone says to do this, but it is a good idea, and there are tons of apps. The one I use is Depop, but there's Poshmark, Mercari, eBay, Facebook Marketplace. So depending on what type of thing you're selling, you can use those different apps to sell them. And maybe if you don't want to sell clothes, you can sell old video games, old furniture, your shoes, literally anything, and someone will probably buy it. The next thing is for if you're a little bit older and you have a car, and that is to deliver food through Uber Eats, Grubhub, Postmates, DoorDash. There's so many programs, and now more than ever, everyone needs to order food because you can't go to restaurants. So there's a high demand for those people that drive the food to different places. So if you have a car and you're eligible, you should definitely do that. The next way to make money is through a website called Fiverr, and you can place an ad saying, hey, I have this certain skill. Maybe your skill is editing, voiceovers, anything like that, graphic design, website designing. If you have a skill, you can place an ad and say, I'm charging this amount to do this, and someone will buy it. And I think they also can list ads where people are like, I need someone to do this for me and I'll pay you this amount. So that's a really good way to make money, especially because you have a lot of time on your hands, so why not? The next way to make money is through Google AdSense. You can either start a YouTube channel or a blog, depending on what your skills are. For a YouTube channel, you do have to like grow to a certain amount or get like a certain amount of views before you can monetize. But that shouldn't be too hard with all the time we have, and there's so many YouTube videos out there that help you make your own channel and tell you how to grow. Or you can start a blog. So you can post anything that you want on your blog, and if someone searches for something and you have a blog post about it, they click on it and you have ads on your blog, then you get paid. And the last way to make money is through online surveys, which I know are kind of sketchy and not very reliable, but out of all the apps and websites, there are two that I've tried that seem to have worked the best for me. The first one is an app called 1Q, and basically they're really short surveys and they pay you like 50 cents to $2 per survey. I've done this and I've made like $5-ish, and it's not a lot, but I don't do it very often. And the good thing about this app is that there's no certain amount of money you have to reach to cash out. They pay it to you right away to your PayPal, which is really nice. And the second survey app is called Surveys on the Go, and they don't pay you like 1 cent per survey. They pay you like 50 cents to $1 per survey, which is really nice. You do have to reach $10 before you can cash out, but that's not too bad because they do pay you pretty well for doing each survey. And I will have sign-up links in my description for both of those survey apps, and I'm pretty sure they give you like 25 cents when you join using the link, which isn't the most, but it's better than nothing. So that is all of my ways to make money. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it's kind of a tough time right now, so hopefully some of these ideas helped you out. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in another video. Bye!